Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi POCO X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down, tap on Apps and choose Dual Apps. Over here, all you need to do is select an app that you want to clone, for example Facebook, and click on the switcher. Then just turn on and wait. As you can see, my app was successfully cloned. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into your menu and locate two of your apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!